Dear students, good afternoon to all of you. My name is Dr. Gurpreet Singh. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Distance Education, Punjabi University Patiala. As you know that we all have faced a very tough time in the past. We have faced a most dangerous pandemic of the century. However, gradually we are going to open everything. The situation is going to improve with the God grace. Now we can roam openly, but we need to take precautions. Don't take it as lightly that it was a COVID, that it has been gone. No, it will take more time, more maybe 1 or 2 years. Once you are get vaccinated, only then you have some sort of privilege that you can go outside, but still with precautions. So I wish you, on behalf of our department, that welcome to all of you. Our subject name is marketing management. It is 100 marks examination. There will be a 70 marks from external examination that you have to appear for written examination. 30 marks will be for internal, that will be based on internal examination. So the a basic objective of this course is to provide a basic knowledge of concepts, principles, tools, techniques of marketing, and to develop their skills so as to have a clear, deeper insight into the subject and to manage marketing operations of a business. As all of you are aware, marketing is very crucial. What I will say, it is indispensable, that no business can survive or grow without marketing efforts. So it is as mandatory as other things like human resources. So marketing is that field that without marketing you can't even think about your survival. So we have a 5 lectures. In coming 5 lectures, we will cover briefly about that marketing, its meaning, its importance, that how marketing scope have a vital role to play in a business, in particular in our daily day-to-day life in general. So we need to think about, we have to study the task of marketing manager, that what they are supposed to do when they are in a particular profession. So under what circumstances a manager has to perform in a different way, like demand situations. We need to understand the marketing environment, that is external marketing environment and internal environment is there, that what are their repercussions on a business decisions on external as well as internally. We need to identify a market segments, that what the niche marketing we have to do, where the segments that a businessman has to work so that its business grows day by day. So then they have to need to target that segments that they have identified earlier. We need to take a product decision, that what product we need to launch in the market, what products become obsolete, so we need to be outdated that products. So we will study that classification of major products, decisions regarding product line, that when or where these products should be launched, what the product mix the company has to provide, like packaging, labeling, according to what the product life cycle is, in growth decisions, in introduction, in saturation, and in we can say decline stage. What are the you know critical decisions that as an employer one has to taken. So there are strategic implications on each stage. We need to understand a product life cycle, that what product how the product is going to launch, what are the various factors that as an entrepreneur, as a manager, one has to consider while they are going to launch a new product. So like his pricing decisions are the same, that what should be the pricing price of the product in the initial stage, then in the growth stage, then in saturation stage, then after all again in maturity stage. So one has to decide, for first of all their objective should be survival, then growth, then of course they have to maintain some sort of standard in the market also. Then another part that we will study in these 5 lectures, that is that how that is a physical distribution, how the end product should be reached to the end customers. Means what are the critical decision that one has to consider regarding distribution channel, like they have to what distribution channel they want, retail they want, wholesale marketing. These are the factors that how to promote their product, like promotion decision, publicity, public relation, direct marketing. There are various factors in a marketing fields. Now there is, like we all are aware, social media is one of the inexpensive tool that one has to market their products there. Then we need to understand the marketing organization and control, like service marketing. As you are aware that in product marketing we are selling product itself, however in service marketing we are selling the attributes of the product. So one has to understand that how from the different angle we can sell services, because these are intangible things. There are various factors that one has to consider. So in the last, I would like to say you that it is a very wonderful subject. You will enjoy these 5 lectures. Thank you. I hope you all of you will attend with enthusiasm, and you will rock. Thank you.